Howdy folks, you clicked on this video because you're looking for more information on our 2022 Jayco Swift Lithium 20TL. So right here we're going to go over some of the basic bullet points and kind of the key factors that you're going to get with this Jayco Swift. Let's go ahead, take a peek around, and I'll go over some of that. This is based on a Dodge 3500 ProMaster chassis, which has a 3.6 liter V6 and a 6-speed automatic transmission to put power to the wheels. Starting in the back, you are going to be able to tow with this unit. You have a 5,000 pound hitch along with a 7 and a 4-way receiver. And then come along to this side. Here's where you're going to get an added spot. If you wanted to add some solar, you could plug it in there. You get 120 volt outlets in order to plug any outside accessories. Here's your tank flush valve along with your city water connection to fill up your tanks. You have 30 amp power supply and then an exterior satellite input. Starting at the back of the unit is where your wet bath is going to be. Here, you're going to have tons of waterproof storage along with a spray port. So if you need to spray down your feet or even dogs, you can do that right here. And you have a little hose attachment to do that right here. Then you get to the actual shower portion. This is pretty good size for a B van, and you do get a removable shower head to make it a little more maneuverable for you. Right here, you have a foot style flush toilet and a medicine cabinet for extra storage, along with a shower curtain that does drop down for a little extra privacy. Right from your wet bath is where you're going to have your 2 separate beds, and these do convert to become 1 full-size king bed. Along the top sides on both sides are going to be this European style cabinetry that has an awesome design and are on very heavy duty hinges. Right below here, you're going to have a reading light on both sides of the bed, along with your light control master system and a little lithium control panel that's really just going to show you all the facts about your lithium. Up top, you get a Coleman Mach 10 AC unit, along with speakers in the roof, and the roof is all soft touch, so it's going to mitigate all the vibration and harshness coming through. For the kitchen, you're going to get a single bucket sink, a true induction 1-burner stovetop, along with a pop-top power tower to plug in all your accessories. And then right below that, you have a high-point microwave and a Norcold refrigerator. And then below that microwave, you have 2 extra drawers. These are both on ball bearings, super high quality, and they're not going to come loose on you while you're driving. The kitchen does actually include a pop-out cutting board as well to give you a little extra counter space. Right near the entry door here is where you're going to have your Renogy lithium system. So this is how you're going to turn off and control some of your lithium powers. Speaking of lithium, this is a 48 volt, 210 amp hour system that's going to provide 10 kilowatt hours of energy. Right below there is your Firefly system. This can actually connect to your phone and control the whole unit, anything from lights, AC, gen, lithium systems, whatever you need. Right below there, we do have an Insignia Smart TV that is on a swivel, so you can orientate it whichever way you'd like, along with a little radio here that does have surround sound throughout the unit. Both of the front captain's chairs are able to swivel 180 degrees. This is not only going to give you more seating capacity, but also more comfortable seating capacity. And then right here, you do have a little fold-out desk. So if you need to get any office work done or just pop on a computer, do some paperwork, whatever you may need, you can do that here. This does stow away into this short little compartment here. And in order to power and maintain the batteries, you do have a 200 watt solar panel on the roof, along with a built-in 3500 watt inverter.